Step 2. User Setting. When using for the first time, set User-Defined Key and Print Key for convenient use. Press System Preset Key on the keyboard and move Trackball, then select User Setting by pressing right Set key. Enter the user-defined key and set the function. If you choose Power Preset, you can easily set your most frequently used transducer and application. Set U2 as your desired function. I will select Active Mode. This function allows you to adjust 2D image parameters in M, CF, PW modes. Also, you can assign function to numeric key on keyboard. After setting UD key, enter the Print Foot switch screen. We recommend you to set P1 as a still image storing and P2 Cine Loop storing function. Select Standard DICOM and click arrow to Add On. Then select Standard DICOM again and check the image frame status are single or multiple. Single is still image saving and multiple is Cine. To send PACS server automatically with End Exam. If you want to make Save a Study when you end exam, go to System and then Patient Info tab. After that, add your PACS on the Archive option.